students, the topic to discuss is equity measures taken by central and state governments in the equalization of opportunities. Equity in education is a measure of achievement, fairness, and opportunity in education. Equality of educational opportunity includes provision of education for all, irrespective of religion, creed, gender, and location. Measures to equalize educational opportunity. Compensatory education. This is universally agreed as a necessary condition to educational opportunity. This is imparted to the culturally deprived and socially disadvantaged children. Measures suggested by the commissions and implemented by state and central government. Pre-metric and post-metric scholarships. Incentives are given to the family to enable eligible girls to come to the school. Schools are built in the tribal areas. Reservation of seats. More schools are built in the rural areas. Free and quality education along with boarding and lodging. Residential schools for the scheduled tribes. Universalizing elementary education UEE is a constitutional commitment. As per our constitution, central and state governments undertook to educate all children below the age of 14 within 10 years of the commencement of constitution from 1960. Universalizing elementary education implies education for all. It also means free education, free books and stationery, free school transport, and free midday meal. Proposal of National Policy on Education NPE 1986. NPE 1986 proposes to cover all children of the age of 11 by 1990 and those below 14 by 1995. It emphasizes two aspects of this problem: universal enrollment and universal retention, and improvement in the equality of education. The effort will be fully coordinated by non-formal education. All the barriers will be removed by the program Operation Blackboard. It is a flagship program of the Government of India pioneered by the former Prime Minister of India Atal Bihari Vajpayee for the achievement of UEE. Highlights of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. A program with a clear time frame for UEE, a response to the demand for basic quality education all over the country, an opportunity for promoting social justice through basic education. A partnership between the central, state, and local governments, an opportunity for states to develop their own vision of elementary education, an expression of political will for UEE across the country. The framework for the implementation of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan. To allow states to formulate content-specific guidelines within the overall framework. To encourage districts in states and union territories to reflect local specificity. To promote local need-based planning based on broad national policy concerns. To make planning a realistic exercise by adopting broad national norms. Thank you for watching.